Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Batocera versus Bazzite. We'll explore their core functionalities, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you decide which operating system best suits your gaming needs. Batocera is a dedicated, lightweight retro gaming operating system designed for simplicity and immediate play. Bazzite, on the other hand, is a modern, gaming-focused Linux distribution built on Fedora Atomic, offering a robust desktop experience alongside its gaming prowess. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to making an informed choice. Batocera truly shines in its simplicity and dedication to retro gaming. It boots directly into a user-friendly front end, providing instant access to thousands of classic games across dozens of systems. Installation is incredibly straightforward, often just requiring writing the image to a USB drive or SD card. This makes it perfect for breathing new life into older hardware or creating a dedicated retro console. Its pre-configured emulators mean less tinkering and more playing, offering a seamless experience for enthusiasts. Bazzite offers a more comprehensive and modern gaming solution. Built on Fedora Atomic, it provides an immutable operating system, ensuring exceptional stability and easy system rollbacks. This makes it a fantastic choice for a primary gaming PC that also serves as a daily driver. It comes preloaded with essential gaming tools like Steam and Lutris, optimized for contemporary titles. Bazzite supports a much wider range of modern hardware and offers extensive customization, appealing to users who desire flexibility and cutting-edge performance. So, which one is better? The answer truly depends on your specific needs. If you're seeking a dedicated, plug-and-play retro gaming experience with minimal fuss, Batocera is your ideal choice. However, if you desire a powerful, versatile modern gaming PC that can handle the latest titles and also function as a robust desktop, Bazzite is the clear winner. Consider your hardware, technical comfort, and primary gaming focus to make the best decision for your setup. Both are excellent, just for different purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.